Take a sheet of paper of the below mentioned measurements. At the top corner, trace out a midpoint and then try to make a curve. Here is a tip. I am using a coin to do so. Now cut down the outlined part accordingly. Next up, follow me and draw lines as shown here. Make sure that all the lines should be same. To move further, take another sheet and draw marking just to have a reference of the size of bookmark. Draw some beautiful clouds, sun and a cute baby elephant. Cut down these stickers carefully following the outlines. Now pick a brush and dip it in a color and start painting the bookmark. Here I have taken the blue gradient color. Go one after the other, starting with the sky, then to making the grass field. Now we will move ahead by coloring up the stickers one by one. Here up, you can see how beautiful the colors are coming up. Also, don't forget to paint out the borders of the bookmark. Lastly, we will glue up all the stickers on the bookmark. Here, you can see the finished look of the bookmark.